and we are in front of a new Weinsberg Caravan Life, and we have the specs of the Caralife 630 LQ 2025 with the final price of 82,429 euros. And this is a pretty different design than the standard camper vans that you're used to check, because we have the actual cabin splitted, and actually this is a complete separate space from the cabin unit. And entering inside, we had this double ladder to enter the pop-up roof that is on the top. Pretty wide pop-up roof. And then we have this open space kitchenette with all the amenities to actually cook and use the kitchen. So we have pretty much large cabinets for all the belongings and nice storage units with 2 cooker burner stove and 1 sink. There are also cabinets on this part, and going all through the back of this van. And then there are these hookup points where you can hook up additional items with ease. And then this is the bench situation with the slide out. And then you can sit 4 people inside. And this is a pretty wide, big bedding area to sleep actually 4 people comfortably. Nice design. And getting outside, this van is pretty long, but it has a pretty deep garage area, and the actual bathroom is not included, so yes, this is actually a styled van without the bathroom section. You can use a portable cassette toilet, and actually this is the looks to get the understanding that this is a separated van section. Getting back so you can understand how this looks.